Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at 2023's question 2 from the Specialist External Exam, question 2 of paper 2. Okay. Now, you would have noticed with all the questions I've started splitting them up into their own exam video. That way I can go into a bit more depth on each question, and that way if you only struggle with a couple questions, you can go watch those questions on the channel. If at all you want access to the full playlist or the full exam video, the link is in the description below. If you need a Specialist External Exam bundle pack, the link is also in the description below. But otherwise, let's get straight into it. So, the standard deviation for the scores of 1,000 students competing in an entry test at a certain university is 13. A researcher takes a repeated random samples of the test results, which each sample comprising of 40 scores, and calculates the mean score for each sample. Determine the standard deviation of the distribution of the sample mean scores. Now, in this question here, a lot of people will think that is your sample size, because like a standard deviation of 1,000 students, they're not doing all the students. In this case here, the 1,000 students represents the population, okay? The 40 actually represents the sample size, okay? So when we're dealing with stuff like this, the average of a population is mu. The standard deviation of a population is this symbol here. For a sample, the average turns into this. The standard deviation, though, for a sample is the standard deviation of the population divided by the square root of the sample size. So in this situation here, we're actually calculating this guy here. Now, what we've been told is the standard deviation of, in this situation here, of the population is 13. So that is 13 here. And here they've said with a sample size of 40. So n is equal to 40. So therefore the standard deviation of your sample size is going to be 13 divided by the square root of 40, because n is equal to 40 and the standard deviation of the population is 13. Chucking that into your calculator, this gives you about 2.055. So you have to round that to 2.06 to match answer B. Is this a tricky question? No, definitely not. A lot of people might confuse that one with the sample size, but it's not, because that is the entire thing there, okay? Because they mentioned that is your population one. If you had any issues with this one here, you need to study the central limit theorem a little bit more. If you need a Specialist External Exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below, so get your download today. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, and if you had any questions about this one here, leave something in the comments.